to pick the best diet for you. We all have that CrossFit buddy that's doing intermittent fasting, your coworker just went vegan, but you want to find a diet that works for you and your lifestyle. I'm going to give you a quick list of items to think about before you actually choose a diet. Number one is, are you achieving a calorie deficit? If your goal is weight loss, you need to achieve a calorie deficit. It doesn't matter what that diet is. If you're in a deficit of calories, you will lose weight. Number two, does it make sense for your lifestyle and schedule? If you go all of a sudden on intermittent fasting, but you enjoy eating breakfast in the morning, that might not be the best diet for you. And the third thing to consider is it sustainable long term? Do you see yourself not eating meat for the next 10 years? Do you see yourself not being able to have a birthday cake on your next birthday? All of these things are important to consider before starting a diet or before making drastic changes in the things that you're eating. Again, find something that works for you and that you can sustain long term.